Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crosby and I am a full-time digital nomad traveling around the world. We came to the western coast of Puerto Rico for the weekend, so we only really had like 24 hours here. It's absolutely stunning, as you can see. I wanted to show you guys everything that we got up to because we've jam-packed this day. I'm currently at our last stop that you will see if you watch to the end of the video. It's incredible. I am like completely in heaven. I really want to just keep this intro short so we can jump right into the video. So I'm gonna shut up, throw a couple drone shots on. Guys, the drone shots in this video. But yes, without further ado, let's get into the video and welcome to Puerto Rico. Good morning, everyone. We are walking to breakfast. It's like 2 seconds from our place and it looks super bomb.
And it's sunny.
It is sunny.
Yes.
It was pouring rain last night. Which way is it? This way?
Straight.
It was pouring rain last night, or like all afternoon. So we woke up this morning, it was slightly overcast, but now the sun is out and we're gonna have such a good day. Hey! Anyways, we have so many fun things planned for the day. So let's get started with breakfast. Okay, so we got our food. This coffee is ridiculously good. It's just cold brew with almond milk and coconut sugar. So good. And then I also got the Lala smoothie, which is spinach, berries, bananas, hemp, and coconut milk. Dylan, what did you get?
Got the breakfast. It's like a smoothie bowl. Like bananas, peanut butter, oats, almond milk. I don't know, so it's kind of like oatmeal, sorta, but like
an oatmeal smoothie.
A breakfasty. No, but what do you think? It's good. It's fresh.
That's the one I almost got. I just wasn't super hungry.
It's only $9. And it's like,
yeah. So prices in Puerto Rico have definitely been a lot higher than expected, but Rincón has been a bit better so far. We went to dinner last night and it was just like basically the same amount that we paid at this place in San Juan. It was like kind of a dive bar. The food wasn't great. The drinks were like this big. And how much did you spend, Dylan?
without tip, it was $75.
Yeah, and that's about how much we paid last night for like a really nice meal overlooking the ocean. Yeah, it was like
it was good.
Basically the same amount. So Rincón definitely has better prices, and this place is good too. So the smoothie's $7, the cold brew is $3, and this is $9. So also this place is right on the beach, so we'll walk out there right after this and show you. I can see the water from here. It's so blue. So not even like a 30-second walk from the beach cafe, and we're on the lovely beach that I don't remember the name of, but I'll put it right here. It's so beautiful, and there's all these like RVs and vans parked right at like the entrance. We're very jealous of them.
Takes us all the way back to the good old days.
The good old days.
Basically, a year ago.
I know!
A year ago now.
Literally a year ago we were traveling through the US. I would love to bring like a van or maybe a tiny RV down to like Mexico or even ship it here, because I'm sure the camping here is amazing. Alright, so we're officially in the car. It is a beautiful day. We're driving 5 minutes to go get our snorkel equipment that I rented for us yesterday. And we're so excited. We're gonna go snorkel for 2 hours. We rented it from this place right here for 2 hours for 2 people. It is about $60. I have no idea where we're gonna be snorkeling, but I'm sure they'll give us some recommendations. And yeah, I'm really excited. I've heard the snorkeling here is incredible and the day is beautiful. Very clear skies, blue water. It's gonna be amazing. All right, we're at Blackwater Marina. No, Black Eagle Marina. We're pretty much just walking with no shoes on. There's not really anywhere to put things, so we just hid the key, didn't wear shoes. Just us and our snorkel gear. So let's go.
just in case, I have the vegan Nutella on the back. As soon as you want it, just let me know.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. So at the breakfast place we're at this morning, we met this family. They were so cute. They're from Canada, and they've been living here for the last few months. And we asked them, like, do you have any recommendations for lunch? And they recommended a couple places, but they were like, this place has the best poke bowls in all of Rincón. So we're here to try it out. It's like a tuna one with avocado, this like sauce. We've got a little brown rice, seaweed salad. So we got this, and we also got a like vegan cheesecake thing that we'll have later.
This does look really good.
This looks so good.
That was it.
You know what I like the best? Is the seaweed salad.
No, it's
you know,
really
you
good.
know how much I love seaweed salad. Oh my god, this is so good.
It's worth 15 bucks.
For sure, it is $15 each, but they pack a lot in here. There's a lot of fish in it too.
Always best to mix it up though.
I know, you gotta mix it up.
They make the pretty presentation, but you gotta
ruin it. Okay, so we just finished lunch. It was bomb. We just picked up a few snacks and stuff because we are heading to a very exciting place, like 40 minutes north of Rincón. So we have a little drive ahead of us, but we're gonna go explore these two beaches that look,
Spectacular.
yeah. Let's go! All right, so we're officially at Surfers Beach. This is the beginning of our final destination. Basically park at Surfers Beach and you do like a 30-minute hike to Survival Beach, which is our final destination. Can we just appreciate Dylan's ridiculous drone skills? FYI, he has been the one flying all the drone shots in this video. Yes, king! So go give him some love on his channel, Dylan Gorman.
Yeah, also, don't just bring your drone on here and fly it. I have full authorization to fly here. I've been a commercial pilot for over 9 years now. There's also an airport that is literally like not even less than 5 miles away. So in me saying that you need to get a waiver, or else you're gonna be in a lot of trouble here, because Border Patrol is also down there. But
Yeah.
they know that I'm flying here. They know that I have a certain time period that I'm allowed to fly, so, and that's exactly what I'm doing.
I think we're here. We made it. We have the entire beach to ourselves. We found this little cove. It was perfectly made for us, right above like the actual beach in the rocks, but it's like nice soft sand. I'm so excited. We've got some snacks and a beautiful view. Got my chips and guac. Life is good, baby. Dylan is in his element right now. Show us your bad boy of a camera. What is it?
EOS R5 Canon,
And what's the lens?
70 to 200.
It is very large.
Very expensive.
Yeah, so we're getting some pretty epic shots on this beach right now. I'll throw a couple on the screen because I'm already obsessed with them. But yeah, Dylan is getting back into travel photography. He is so talented. So it's really fun to kind of see him do his thing. Back to photo taking. So that is it for our 24 hours on the western coast of Puerto Rico. It was such an amazing day. I'm filming this the next day. We drove home last night. It was like a 2-hour drive back to San Juan, and yeah, we were pretty exhausted. So we've just been spending the day working and hanging out. But yeah, I cannot believe we did all of those things yesterday. I think the main takeaway I have from yesterday's adventure is that Puerto Rico is an extremely diversely packed country with so much incredible things to do. So yeah, I definitely want to come back and explore more of the nature here because it's really, really incredible. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and hit subscribe because I have so many fun adventures coming up. My next video is actually a digital nomad vlog here in Old San Juan. There is a lot of things that you need to know if you want to come work remotely here, so stay tuned for that video. And then after that, we're going to Costa Rica, baby. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.